If you're a health enthusiast, then you need to know the truth about organic produce. Are they really worth it? Time to uncover the facts. Organic fruits and vegetables aren't just buzzwords. They're grown without synthetic pesticides, chemical fertilizers, or GMOs. Farmers use natural compost, crop rotation, and biological pest control methods. So, what's the big deal? Well, organic produce is packed with nutrients and free from harmful chemicals. Studies suggest they have higher antioxidants, boosting your immunity and well-being. And it's not just good for you, it's great for the planet. Organic farming protects soil health, conserves water, and promotes biodiversity by avoiding toxic pesticides. This means happy bees, birds, and a healthier environment. Worried about the cost? Sure, organic might be pricier, but you're paying for quality and sustainability. Plus, growing your own organic veggies at home is easier than you think. So next time you shop, think organic. It's an investment in a healthier future for you and the planet. Like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips.